Hello everyone, welcome back to Housing. My name is Shruti and today we are here exploring something very luxurious, very ambitious, one of its kind. Rajapushpa, the lifestyle city, which is located in Telapur, Hyderabad. Well, this is Hyderabad's largest and biggest township project. Today, we are here going to break down all the concepts and major visions of this project. So, guys, stay tuned till the end because this one is something next level and something big. Well, at first, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders. No middleman, no broker, nothing. Just you and your dream home. Well, we here help you to buy your dream home on the rock bottom rate. If you are looking for your dream home, Housey is your one-stop solution. Well, Rajapushpa Lifestyle City is a place where you don't have to leave your neighborhood. You can work, play, socialize and relax everything in your neighborhood. Rajapushpa Lifestyle City spans across a massive 400 acres of land parcel, making it a city within a city. Well, what does that mean? That means homes, offices, schools, IT parks, malls, and everything else you need in your day to day life will be provided to you within the Rajapushpa lifestyle. Well, it's one of the most futuristic and self contained projects in Hyderabad. Rajapushpa developers have planned this township with incredible attention to detail. They have blended modern architecture, urban convenience, so residents get both peace and access. There are zones for villas, high rise apartments, IT parks, hospitals, retail malls, entertainment zones, and even schools, all seamlessly connect. Rajapushpa Greendale. Rajapushpa Greendale is the first completed villa community here. Well, it's spanning across 42 acres of land parcel with a total of 265 4 BHK and 5 BHK luxurious villas. Well, there's even a 4.5 acres of central park, making this a green oasis within the township. Rajapushpa Greendale is one of the most prestigious addresses in Telapur. And talking about the pricing, the current pricing as of now is starting from 7 CR onwards. Rajapushpa Sirindale. Rajapushpa Sirindale is an ongoing villa community project in the township. It's being constructed on 32 acres of land parcel featuring 254 luxurious villas. Well, each villa is being constructed with open courtyards, modern facades and private gardens. Well, this is also going to be one of the premium villa townships in Telapur. And the prices are going to be released soon and the possession is expected by December 2027. Next up we have Rajapushpa Bloomdale. Rajapushpa Bloomdale is an upcoming villa project in the lifestyle city. Well, it's going to be a premium villa community with green living. Rajapushpa Imperium. Well, next up we have our premium gated community in the township, which is Rajapushpa Imperia. You can see behind me the construction is ongoing. Well, this project is starting in 24 acres of land parcel with 8 magnificent high-rise towers soaring to 40 floors each. Well, the best part is this project is having 82% of open space. Well, perfect space for luxurious living and breathing room. Well, the sizes are starting from 1500 and going up to 2890 SF. Rajapushpa Aurelia. Next up, we have one of the luxurious projects of Hyderabad, which is Rajapushpa Aurelia. Well, this project is spanning in 12.52 acres of land parcel with 7 magnificent high-rise buildings soaring up to 56 floors each. Well, this project is going to have 1,556 units in total. Well, once completed, this project is set to become Hyderabad's one of the tallest residential projects, offering breathtaking views and unmatched amenities. Well, you can see the construction of Rajapushpa Aurelia just behind me. Rajapushpa Sierra, the flagship high-rise here. Well, this project has received all the approvals and is set to launch very soon. Well, Rajapushpa Sierra is spanning across 21.2 acres of land parcel with 9 magnificent towers offering 49 floors each. Well, this project has apartment sizes ranging from 1,295 going up to 2,555 square feet. But what really makes Rajapushpa city, the lifestyle, a special one? Well, out of the 400 acres, 70 acres are reserved for the IT parks, 30 acres are meant to be for the wellness center, sports court, hospitals, schools, and malls. There are gyms, open courtyards, cafes, lush green parks, cycling lanes, jogging track, everywhere you look. Well, Rajapushpa Lifestyle City has seamless direct connectivity to Outer Ring Road, exit number 2 and Financial District. This location is as prime as it gets. Well, a question must be arising in your mind. Why you should choose Rajapushpa Lifestyle City? Well, here's why. Rajapushpa Lifestyle City is truly one of the most attractive destinations in Hyderabad. Well, at first, it's a 400 acres of land parcel, luxurious villas and high-rise apartments, unmatched amenities, seamless connectivity, work-life balance, green sustainable living, and much more. Well, Rajapushpa, the lifestyle city, is one of a kind, matching next level of unmatched amenities, luxurious living.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.